In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly make a Trello board public or private in 2025. If you're new to Trello or just need a refresher on how to control your board's visibility settings, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, you'll want to head over to Trello.com, which is your starting point. Once the site loads, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the login button. Remember, if you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up first, but for most of us, this is just a quick login step. Next, you'll be prompted to log in using either your email or your Google account. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. Many users find it easy to connect with their Google account, as it saves time and lets Trello integrate with other services you're already using. After you log in, navigate to the boards section, which is essentially your Trello dashboard. It's here you'll find all your treasures or boards neatly listed. Get familiar with this area, as it's the gateway to accessing and managing your projects. Focus your attention on the Your Workspaces section. This is usually displayed prominently so you can easily spot it. It's not just a list of boards, but the hub of your organized chaos. Scroll until you find the specific board you wish to change the visibility for. Once found, click on it to enter the board. When you're inside your chosen board, look at the menu located to the right of the board name. This menu is like your command center, allowing you to control many aspects of your board, including its visibility settings. Now, to set your board to private, simply click on the private button. This is an excellent choice if you want the board content to be exclusive to invited members only. It's a safe way to ensure sensitive information stays secure. If you're aiming for the opposite and want to make your board visible to the world, you'll select public. This is ideal for projects that require community input or when transparency is crucial to your workflow. Once you've settled on making your board public, you will be prompted with a confirmation message. Here you'll see the option to click Yes, Make Board Public. It's a gentle reminder to double check your choice because public boards can be seen by anyone on the internet. And there you have it, your Trello board's visibility is now set according to your needs. Whether you choose to keep things under wraps or share them with a broader audience, Trello makes it simple and straightforward. Don't forget that you can always revisit the settings and make changes as your project's requirements evolve. Thanks for following along and happy Trelloing.